Anybody know where I'm at? That's right, we're here in Birmingham, Alabama on the July the 3rd, the day before 4th of July. And we stopped here because, man, that traffic was just getting crazy. It was getting thicker. Done had 3 wrecks. We all seen them. I put them up front on the video so everybody could look at them. But I'm out here walking scooter now because it looks like it might rain, and I don't want him all up in the truck crossing his legs waiting for it to quit raining. So we're just taking care of it now. It's about 5 o'clock. I pulled up here and I got me something to eat. I took a little nap. But we're on our way to Hammond, Louisiana. Hammond, not Louisiana. Hammond, Indiana. There you go. I'll get it. To deliver some coils. You can tell I just woke up, huh? Yeah, we picked these coils up down in Alabama. They don't got to be delivered on Monday. So we're just kind of taking our time. I mean, we only drove 244 miles. I'm gonna walk over here with him. Hang on. I don't even think this place is open. Give him a little bit more running room besides the ditch. Now he goes straight to the ditch. But it's a pretty heavy load. I'm almost maxed out on that load. I've only got 1,000 more pounds than I would have been maxed out. So it's a pretty heavy load. We're gonna get it there. We're just gonna slowly take our time and see what happens. There's the Department of Transportation right there. Now you start running around. Get that out of your system for tonight. But this is it for us tonight. We'll deliver tomorrow in the morning. We're only like 100 miles away, so it's not bad. I was 250 miles away, and I was gonna stay there, but the more I got to thinking about it, the more I thought, man, I need to get a little bit closer. You know, I don't want to be running late, bad traffic. Plus I still had to get through Indianapolis, so that's out of the way. But I'm gonna try to get there as early as I can tomorrow. I think my delivery time is anywhere from 8 to 2. So I'm gonna try to make it there between 8 and 9, get unloaded. And I got a feeling I'm gonna get a load of steel out of Harvey, that conduit they got there. But we'll just find out in the morning. You all right? Huh? You okay, boo-boo? Run around and play. Probably find me a movie to watch. And we're just gonna call it a day here. Relax for a little bit on the 4th of July weekend. And like I say, tomorrow I'll get up and the hustle starts all over again. This has been a pretty lax trip, in all honesty. I mean, we picked it up Thursday. I picked it up, I parked. We drove Friday for about 4 hours. Then we drove Saturday for about 6 hours, something like that. And today we just drove, let's see, 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours at the most. And I could have made it there. I could have honestly been there by Saturday. About 2 o'clock if I wanted. But I don't know, it's just a lazy trip. I did think about getting a reset in, but you know, I mean, I'll make it work. But I know if I get a reset in too, they'll look at those hours when they give me another load, and that'll determine what kind of load I'm going to get as far as mileage. If I only have a few hours, let's say I only had 20 hours on my clock, well, they're not going to give me a load that's going to deliver far off, you know. So if I would have got there Saturday, did a reset, I know for a fact they'll probably be trying to send me somewhere far away, and I'm not into that. That ain't gonna work. I need to get something that's short and that I can have it in by payroll. Go, dude. Ready to go? Back to the truck, take a nap, make us some lunch. You want a sandwich for lunch? Hey, you listening to me? Hey, you paying attention? We're leaving. Bye. We made it. Told me just hang tight to the big blue building. Picking up steel coils, drive around each side of blue building, check in south side of warehouse. Drivers will monitor channel 14. Alright. Build here, but they got a juniper aluminum. This is Phoenix. That's a parking lot. I guess I don't want to pull up in there. Yeah, that wouldn't be no good. No place to go except backwards. Bet you that's the way it goes. It's alright, we'll make it. We can do it. Phoenix Metal, stay left. Inwell. Stay to the left of the road. Maybe I'll get lucky. I can roll my tarps up in the shade. Or my tarp only got one tarp on it, but anything to keep that sun off my back is a welcome, I tell you. I think I've been here a long time ago. Kind of looks familiar. Right now, though, I'm looking for the check-in. Inbound coil stop here. I gotta go check in, I suppose. Don't say nothing about PPE. So, I'm just not really gonna fret with it. I didn't record none of that. It was just me untarping it, and maybe them unloading some coils. But right now we are on our way, and I'm assuming I'm going the right direction. To Michigan City, Indiana, the Gap, to I don't know what we're going to be picking up, but it's not tarp. It's only going down to St. Louis, Missouri. So we're going to grab it and go. It pays like about $2.50 a mile. So actually it's one of Prime's best loads when it comes to flatbed. You know, I mean, there are better loads out there every once in a while, but for the majority of the time you're just talking. You get $1.70, you're doing damn good at Prime. I'm going to pick this up. It is 11 o'clock. I'll probably get there close to 12. And maybe we can get out of here before this afternoon traffic picks up. Been sitting here now for about 35 minutes waiting for this train to move. I don't know what's going on. I thought there was a time limit on how long they could block a road like this. So what's going on? Maybe somebody killed the constructor, you know, I mean conductor, sorry, not constructor, conductor. This is Chicago. Anything goes, I guess, but we just picked up that load of shingles. It's got to be in St. Louis by the morning. This ain't looking good. Not good at all.